Hello and welcome to Royal, our YouTube study channel. Today we will start our class 10 math and we will start from arithmetic progression AP. Okay. So बहुत से लोगों को मैथ डर लगता है और उसको उसमें कमजोरी होता है. ओके. लेकिन हम उसको बहुत अच्छे तरह से पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, बहुत अच्छे से उसको पढ़ेंगे भी, ठीक है, और बहुत इजी से सॉल्व करेंगे ईच एंड क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, फ्रॉम इट्स मीनिंग, टाइप्स एंड द टर्म वी विल study in arithmetic progression, everything we will study. Okay, let's start the topic arithmetic progression. First let's try to know the meaning. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. ये जो definition है ये आपको आपकी बुक में मिल जाएगी, ठीक है. उसको आसान भाषा में अगर हम समझना चाहें तो इसका मतलब है एक सीरीज, न्यूमेरिकल सीरीज, जिसका डिफरेंस in between the number, the difference between the numbers is same, then we call that it is an AP. Okay, suppose we have series like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. Okay, here the difference between these two number is 2. Is 2. The difference is known as common difference, as here the common difference is same in each of the number in the series. We can say it is an AP or arithmetic progression. Okay, this ये होता है arithmetic progression. In the numerical series where the common difference between the numbers is same, we say that it is an AP. Okay, इसका टाइप्स क्या क्या है? 2 टाइप्स है. एक है ओके टाइप्स. टाइप्स क्या क्या है? The first is finite AP and second one is infinite AP. Okay, finite AP and infinite AP. Finite AP क्या है और infinite? As we know that infinite means unlimited. Okay, so you have series number 1 and series number 2. So this type of series which does not or do not have last digit, we will say it is an infinite AP. Here we don't have the last digit or last term. Okay, suppose we say that here 15, 30, 45, likewise 150. Okay, here we have the last term of the series. In the series number 2 we have last term. This type of series is known as, or this type of AP is known as finite AP. That means which have last term. Which AP has or have last term, it is known as finite AP and infinite AP. Okay, this was the just introduction part, what AP means and what are the types of AP and what are the types of series. Series 1 we have first term common difference, then does not have the last term, but in the series 2 we have the last term. But that's why this is infinite AP, this is finite AP. Okay, now we will know some terms used in this chapter. Okay, term क्या क्या है? Likewise we have read first term, last term, common difference. Okay, यहाँ पर एक फॉर्मूला हम पढ़ेंगे जिसका मतलब है, जो फॉर्मूला है an is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d, whole bracket d. So here a is denotes as first term of the series, okay, and n is number of term, d is the common difference, and an means the nth term, okay. Using this formula we will solve AP. Okay, we will solve the question of AP. So whatever we have read till now, we can do easily our CBSE exercise 5.1. CBSE exercise 5.1 अब तक हम जो भी पढ़े उसको कंप्लीट अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि पहले क्वेश्चन में एक है कि एक न्यूमेरिकल एक्सप्रेशन दिया हुआ है और उसको हमको बताना है कि ये एपी है या नहीं, अगर है तो क्यों. ठीक है, एंड ओके, लेट्स डू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो हियर you can see the question. Okay, I am reading the question. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Here it is given that the first kilometer will be charged rupees 15, and after each additional kilometer the taxi fare will be increased or will be charged additional rupees 8. That means in the second trip we will charge 23 rupees and again 31 rupees. Likewise, means in each kilometer there will be additional of 8 rupees. So here we got the common difference 8 in each of the number. So we know that, or we already have read that if any series have common difference in each in this number, then we can say that this is an AP. So here it is completely, you can see that 8 is the common difference between the numbers, so it is an AP. It is an AP. Likewise, we can solve the first question of exercise 5.1. What is given on question number 2? Question number 2, you will have, ये था question number 1. Question number 2, point 1, ये था 1 और ये भी है point 1. Here you have given A is equal to 10, T is given also 10, and the question has asked us to find first 4 terms. You have to find first 4 terms. A is given, D is given. That means A is what? Our first term. First term is already given, and D is our common difference. Okay. So we know that we have to find the first 4 terms. Then we got the first term as 10. As we know that the difference is 10, that means by adding the difference we can get the second term. Then adding the second term with the difference, then you can do the third term, again fourth term. Likewise, you can get the series or you can do the question. But what is the way to solve this type of question? We know that A plus D, A1 plus D is equal to A2, means term 2. Again A2 plus D is equal to A3. A3 plus D is equal to A4. Okay, like this we can solve the question. Here we have A1 10 and the difference is 10. We got 20, that is our A2, means term 2. A2 is 20. Okay, D is 10. We got 30, that is our A3. Okay, likewise we can solve question number 2. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, AP is very easy. अब तो आपको लग रहा होगा कि कितना इजी चैप्टर है ये. ओके, सो 10th क्लास में जो भी चैप्टर है बहुत इजी है, आप इजीली उसको स्कोर कर सकते हैं, अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट योर स्टडी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3, we will have a series, and where we have to write the first term and common difference. You will have a series like series. We have in question number 3, bit 2, you have -5, -1, 3, 7, and so on. So here A means first term, this is the first term, that means A is -5, and D means what? A2 minus A1. So A2 is -1 and A1 is -5. So -1 plus 5, that is 4. That is 4, and the D is 4. Okay. So exercise 5.1 is very easy, and by as whatever we have read now, you can easily solve exercise 5.1. So in our next class, we will use this formula to solve exercise 5.2. Okay, ठीक है. जो भी आपको डाउट होगा वीडियो को दोबारा देखना, ठीक है, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं, जो कि हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सरसाइज 5.2. ठीक है, ओके.